We'll guide you through how to send an email for beginners for the first time. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. In these modern times, an email is pretty much essential in order to go and use the internet. It's basically an electronic mailbox, so you can go and contact other people, but also you can go and sign up for accounts with it and more. What we need to do is go and open up an internet or web browser on your computer, like Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, or Safari on a Mac. Now, what we do need to do is go and use an email provider. My favorite one is Google, and that is Gmail. If you have an account, you're already going to have a Gmail access, which we can go and set up. If you don't know, don't worry. Search for Google and come to google.com. Go to the top right and you can press sign in, and you want to then press create account, and you can press for my personal use and get started. I've got one, so I'll go and sign in. What we can then do is go to Gmail, you can search for it, or in the top right of google.com, you can press Gmail and you'll be brought to your mailbox. As you can see, I've got lots of emails here as I've previously used this, but if it's your first time, you aren't going to have any. Then what we can do, you can go and press compose in the top left, and you'll go and get this pop-up. So you need to go and type in who it's to, you need to go and type in their email, so you need to go and ask what their email is if you don't know it. Everyone's email is unique, so I've now typed it in and I'll press enter to add it. Add a subject, so this is going to be what your email is about. Then you can tap in here and type in the main body of the email. At the bottom, you've got different options. The main thing you may want to use is this paperclip icon, and we can attach files like a spreadsheet or a document. And then when you're ready, you can go and press send, and it'll be sent to them. Leave a like if you found this useful.